Introducing the Anycubic Kobra X, a smart entry-level multicolor 3D printer built to make advanced printing feel simple, fast, and reliable. By stripping away the complexity of traditional designs, it focuses on the features that matter most for creators who want cleaner color changes, less waste, and a smoother printing experience. Its innovative 4-color capability brings multicolor printing into a more practical and efficient form, while the feeding and retraction system is built directly into the printhead for a tighter, more refined setup. With the cutter placed just 35 millimeters from the nozzle, the filament change distance is reduced by over 81.25%, helping deliver lightning-fast color transitions and a major drop in purge waste. The ACE Gen 2 Adaptive Extrusion system adds even more intelligence by detecting material hardness in real time and adjusting extrusion force automatically, making soft and hard multi-material printing easier to handle with less effort. A top-mounted spool holder keeps the workspace cleaner, improves overall stability, and helps maintain consistent print quality even during high-speed operation. With support up to 19 color printing, the Kobra X opens the door to more vibrant and detailed projects without making the process feel complicated. Precision is also a major strength here, with optimized X, Y, and Z-axis repeat accuracy working alongside a next-generation leveling algorithm based on multi-point data modeling to make bed leveling faster, smarter, and more accurate. Refined heat conductor wire routing helps create a stable and uniform foundation for every print, while automatic calibration keeps that precision steady throughout the entire job. For added convenience, the quick-release Hotend makes customization faster and easier, and one-click printing puts the whole process under intelligent system control. Built-in intelligent monitoring tracks print status in real time, giving more confidence during long runs, while the whisper-quiet 48-decibel operation keeps the environment calm and distraction-free. Everything is powered by Anycubic Slicer, which unlocks the full potential of the hardware through advanced software and professional pre-configured profiles, so printing feels more direct and less technical. Affordable, efficient, and built for solid reliability, Anycubic Kobra X sets a fresh standard for entry-level multicolor 3D printing.